Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 328 different strategies, with 108 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 226 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,024 indicators, with 428 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says the ultimate trading formula to make $10,000 a day. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see if we can actually earn a profit using this strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to screen is going to be the trend trader strategy. That's one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it will pop up looking like this here. We'll keep all the settings on the default with that one, and the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 3 EMA, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And on this one, we're going to jump into the settings, make a few modifications. And so first of all, let's go into the inputs and let's change the first length right here to 100, the second length right here to 200, and the third length right here to 400. Jump into the styles and you can set this up however you see fit. What I did was I made the 3 different lines, obviously different colors. I started out with red, orange, and then the kind of purplish pink color right here. But more importantly, what I did was on the third one here, I made it the largest line weight like this here. The middle one, I made the next line weight down, and the first one here, I made the next line weight down from there. And then of course, the trend trader has this blue line here, looks kind of similar to a moving average, not really, but you can see that it is the thinnest line weight. And so it gives a very good distinction between all the different moving averages. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when the price action is trading below all 3 of the moving averages, and the moving averages themselves are giving us a bearish type sentiment of the market or a downtrend. And basically what you're looking for is the EMAs to be stacked on top of each other, and you're going from the largest down to the smallest. And so you have the largest, the middle one, and then the smallest. And that's going to be kind of the classic moving average type setup. People call it the alligator or the EMA fan. It's a few different terms to it. But nonetheless, that gives us a overall trend direction to the downside. And then what we're looking for is for the candles to go from green to red like it does right here. And when that happens, that's going to be the entry or the signal into a short trade. Put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we just kind of bounce around there for a moment, kind of in consolidation or ranging market before we then make this really hard spike to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for price to be trading above all three of the moving averages, and we want those moving averages to be giving us a uptrend type setup or a bullish type setup. And so basically it is the reverse of the other. So we have the thickest on the bottom, the middle in the middle, and the smallest on top, like so. And then what we're looking for is price to go from red candles to a green candle like this here. And when that happens, it's going to be the signal to enter into a long. We're going to put the trade right there, put our stop just right below this pivot, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we get this dip to the downside, getting close to our stop, but not quite, before it then rolls and makes this push to the upside, getting us to our take profit really nicely. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at a 36% win rate. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So definitely not going to make you $10,000 a day, and not that great of a strategy in general. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 32 trades altogether, 25 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $6,600. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once a free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we have developed a crypto scalping strategy using the Academy of Forex indicator. You can see some of the trades that we've recently taken with that strategy here on screen now. And so really, really good results. If you are interested in viewing the video on that, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video that you can view that strategy. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.